Okay, so now the next part is we want to get the breadboard ready. And so I went in and I got our terminal blocks. And going to pick the 4 blue ones. And it's very straightforward. We're going to put them into the breadboard and push them down all the way. And basically we're doing the 4 corners, and we just want to make sure that we're picking up, we're not using the rails, and we're got it in the holes closest to the row numbers, because we need access to these holes in the middle. And make sure that now I put these in backwards, look at that. Ha ha ha. So we need the place where the wire comes in, we need it to be facing to the outside world, well, to the outside, because we're going to try to put wires in here, and we just want to leave ourselves as much room as we possibly can get. Now the thing that's bad is that by putting these in and out, I'm making it loose and fit. There we go. Well, we don't need this to last very long, so that is the part where the wires would go in. So we want to do that 4 corners. And it may take a little bit of wiggling. You can see my fingers. You don't want to just ram it in there. It's a tight fit, but you can coax it in by wiggling it in. And it'll eventually just pop in. And there's our 4 corners. Okay.